Hey guys! Welcome to, what was it called? Oh yeah, that's right, Pooh. Thanks. It was called Cooking with Ruggar! So, in this episode, we're gonna be cooking Hot Pockets. I'm gonna show you how and the process of making one. So, if I could just, you could be patient and let me get this open. Oh, shoot. Look at... Whatever, I'll clean it up after the video. So, what you want to do is you want to put these in here like so. Like that? Yes. You put it in like this, right? So, you grab a plate, put it on there. Just nice and gently. Just nice and gently so it doesn't break. Wow, look how big my hands are. Woo! Oh, tiny. We like to have fun here. We like to have fun here. So, you take your Hot Pocket, right? And then you, put it in the microwave for, 2 minutos. 2 minutes. I'm using one of those microwaves that have, like, each time I hit this, adds 10 seconds. Your microwave will probably have the usual, but you know that you put it in for 2 minutes. For most microwaves, at least. 90%, 99% of them. Alright, let's start it. Alright. Now, what am I gonna do while I wait for my poop? I keep saying poop instead of food. How about we take a look at my sword collection so far. Here's one sword, it's, I got it at the, comic convention. And there's this one, and you want to know how much this one costs, this big black one right here? It cost $125. Wow, what a waste of money, you might be thinking. No. Okay, here's my broken sword. It used to be bigger, but it broke, as you can tell. So, that's my third sword. Where is it? There's my shield. Here is my, black Spartan sword. It's pretty neat. Where's the... Oh, there's this, like, wooden little machete. Where's the next one? Shoot. Where's the good one? It's in the back. Alright, here's my, favorite sword, probably. It's an arming sword that's foam. It's a lot thicker than the swords I have, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Swing it around. And, it's pretty much it's basically a, short sword. So yeah, that's basically my sword collection so far. Let's see how my Hot Pocket's doing. And I just heard it go off. Like that. Hot Pocket. Now, there's a bit of an extra here that you have to do. You take the Hot Pocket, right? You kind of... Ah! Jeez. Alright, first you take the... Oh, ow. Ow. So basically what you have to do is just... pull this out a bit, and then just kind of fold it like the instructions say. Not much else. Hope you enjoyed this video. I certainly did making it. Also, I'm gonna eat this while it's uploading. Just a little bit of behind the scenes there. So, bye.